It's me. Hallowed Beauty's gonna show you all its products and spill the tea. Hello everybody. Welcome to Hallowed Beauty. If you've never been here before, welcome. Now you know I'm a little bit crazy. If you have been here before, welcome back, my friend. Today we are reviewing 4 different products. The Origins Checks and Balances Milky Oil Cleanser and Makeup Melter, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Fussy, the Epic Ink Liner NYX in black, of course, and the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in the Cold Hearted. Woo! I'm really excited to try the lip glosses, and by the way, I kind of already tried them. I just want to show you guys what they look like on camera because I'm obsessed with them and I love them. But I have not tried the liner in this yet because I'm really picky when it comes to my eyeliner. I wanted to find eyeliner that did not crack or flake or anything like that, and it's been really hard for me because I don't like waterproof eyeliner, because I don't like sitting there scrubbing my eyeball until I form wrinkles on my face. I decided to finally cave in and buy the NYX one, and you know, everyone's telling me, well, you could just buy a oil makeup remover cleanser and it'll work just fine, and I'm like, yeah, but I don't like oil on my skin. Like, I'm just weird like that. I'm not an oily girl. I don't like oil on my skin. Oil is too oily for me. I don't know. We're gonna try it and see if I like it, and let's go. Okay, after we've got our tape placed, let's go ahead and open this bad boy. So overall, my first impression is I am quite in love with it, and I can understand why people are raving about this eyeliner. It is really good. It's very matte and it's very easy to use. I really hope it doesn't crack or flake or anything, but I guess I'll give you an update in a few months if I find out that it does and I'm wearing it out and about. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna try the Fenty Beauty Fussy and see how that looks. So this one is the Fussy. I really like this one. It is a light pink and it has a slight glitter to it. It's very nice for out and about. Going to the restaurant or going to the movies. Now we're gonna try the Cold Hearted and see how that is. I heard there is a tingling feeling. It's refreshing, which is true because I've tried it before, but we're gonna do it again. Very refreshing, very tingly. If you don't like a tingling feeling, then I wouldn't recommend this lip gloss, but if you do, then I would recommend it. I absolutely love it. It's perfect for everyday wear, just looking all shiny and cute. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna quickly do my brows and then we're gonna take all of this off with the Origins. Brows are done. Now follow me to the bathroom so that we can try this out and see if it gets off this waterproof liner. Guys, so I took my earrings off just in case it gets a little messy up in here. I'm about to put on my headband as well, just so we can be prepared, you know what I mean? We go to war. Shake well to activate, gently smooth onto dry face, lips, and eyes, then add warm water and massage until milky. Rinse clean to remove makeup and impurities. Okay, so we gotta shake it. I think I'm just gonna run the warm water and pour it on my hands and just start going. I think that'll be the easiest way to get going with this. Look like a raccoon, yeah? Ah, my phone's falling. Oh no. As you can see, it's actually gotten the eyeliner off pretty well for waterproof, which is good. A+. Obviously didn't get all of it off unless I stayed rinsing my face, so I'm just gonna go in with a regular face wash and rinse the rest of it off. This is the SeiBella from a wellness website that I ordered. A friend of mine showed it to me and it has pretty great stuff if y'all actually want to check it out. I actually really like this cleanser. It's very smoothing, soothing for the skin, and it's made my skin very clear. So check that out if you want to. My face is clean and squeaky now. I just wanted to show you guys the other 2 products that I had from SeiBella. I have the detoxing cleanser. It is the charcoal and flower. And then I have the C toner as well. This is a great toner. So again, check it out, you guys. If you like more clean beauty, you know, it doesn't have sulfates, parabens, silicones, all that good stuff. It doesn't have any of that in it. It's great products. Check it out. That concludes this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up on this video because that lets me know that you liked it. Please subscribe because it's free, and what else are you gonna do anyway? I mean, come on. Turn on those post notifications as well to let you know every time when I post. Stay you, stay cute, stay beautiful. We'll see you in my next video. Try these products for yourself. I give them all A++, especially the NYX liner. I guess I've converted to the dark side of waterproof liner. Whatever. Okay, bye.